The Earth contains several reservoirs that hold the majority of the water in the hydrologic cycle. The first major reservoir is the ocean, which holds 97% of all water on the Earth. The second largest reservoir of water is stored on the land and makes up almost 3% of the Earth's water. This reservoir holds all the fresh water in the world, including lakes, rivers, glaciers, and groundwater. The last reservoir is the atmosphere, which holds 0.001% of the water on Earth in the form of water vapor and clouds. These different reservoirs transfer water on a global scale known as the hydrologic cycle. The transfer of water from land or ocean to atmosphere is known as evaporation. This occurs when water molecules have enough energy to break attractive bonds and escape as water vapor into the atmosphere. When water vapor evaporates into the atmosphere, it begins to collect and form clouds. Clouds form when the air reaches saturation point. This occurs when the air around cannot hold any more water vapor, so it must condense into water droplets. This part of the cycle is known as condensation. Temperature increases evaporation, which in turn increases condensation and then decreases evaporation, resulting in a negative feedback loop. As condensation increases, the water droplets increase in size until gravity kicks in and the droplets fall from the clouds. This is known as precipitation, which we experience in different forms of snow, hail, or rain. This water returns back to Earth's natural reservoirs in different ways. Some of the water in cold or high altitude area will form ice sheets where fresh water will be stored there for hundreds of years until eventually it melts and flows into streams and rivers. Rivers collect a large amount of precipitation and either transport it to a lake or ocean known as river runoff. A small amount of precipitation, though, will seep into the soil and create groundwater. As all water returns to reservoirs, the hydrologic cycle continues once again.